Okay, okay. So out of like all of those different things that you can do as a QA tester, what do you feel like was like the most important to help you excel as a QA tester?
Right. Thinking out of the box and actually putting myself in the hands of the user. Like, you're there to break the system.
Okay.
You're there to make sure that the end user, they don't actually get the defects. So when I was in my meetings, I would always try to shine in a way to give perspective of, what I know about the application, but also like not to like step on toes like I'm a know-it-all,
Right.
like not like that, but to still show in a way like, hey, upon testing, maybe there was an issue with the usability or the, how it, it feel to the user on a mobile application. So I would try to even give perspective of that, or maybe how that looked. And it wasn't to say like, it's like saying I think something is just bad, but maybe this could be something that could actually damage our user experience. So for me, I was always kind of trying to think outside of the box, outside of just my skill set. I don't want to just look like, okay, I just have the skill. I really want to put myself there to show them I care about the application we're testing. I care about what we're doing. It's not just about the skill of testing. It's about actually caring about our users and why we're doing what we're doing.